Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2005 Pontiac Grand Prix. Stock number is 18G741B. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around the back end. You have a spoiler on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. There's plenty of storage room here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Grand Prix on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.